Well, doesn't that look like fun? I don't know how I get involved in this. Well, we're going right over it. If you don't want to spend the money for a new nose, you also don't want to spend the money for me to remove that and prepare it properly. So, over it we go. Where's my tape measure? Huh. I had that earlier because I used it. What did I do with it? Oh, it's been that kind of day. It's in my hand. Holy shit. I have to get better. This is not working. And that'll go on that. Good times. Good times. This is disgusting. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more of that dirt off there. And now my table is gonna be covered in pathetic. This is, oh look, the next one's the same way. Great. I'm surprised if this actually sticks to this, because I just don't know. I just don't know. It. Under center. And encapsulate it. I don't even know if they got the sweep for the bottom. They didn't bring it. And that thing is I'll never understand it. I'll also never understand, it's October 1st, the biggest race of the year that's been scheduled for 6 months starts next week. And I got 5 cars to do this week for said race. Known about it for 6 months. Let's wait till the week before. Typically I just laugh and roll with it, but being sick, it's kind of aggravating. Other stuff I could be doing that was scheduled. Whatever. Oh, that looks awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I could feel good about that. That looks great. It's like, can't believe it. This is why they come to me. Talent right there. Oh yeah. Peeling up the powder coat. Yep. This is oh, look at the dirt on that. Perfect. Just, you know what? Let's just relief cut this. Yeah, it'll stay, right? Right, it will. So aggravated. Trim this on a nice straight line. Perfect. Oh, we missed a spot. money. Take the powder coat with it. Everything's fine. Everything is fine. Not really laying down right there. That's good. Just melt it right into the powder coat. Do this top half. Yeah, wonderful. Looks like I should have got some textured wall wrap for this one. Be real gentle with this. I don't want to ruin it. Yeah, that's money. I mean, yep. Get a little heat on that just to set all these nooks and crannies. I gotta get more propane. Running low. It's just, I like it. I like that a lot. That looks really, really good. Yeah. Yeah, great. Down the road. I mean, you can't get better than that. Broke my blade. There we go. Yep. Just nice. Cuts all nice and even because the edges are so perfectly filed down. Yeah, I like it. It's gonna really set off the front of this car. Look real sharp. Don't worry about that. I got a little bit too much heat on there, but 80-20, right? Can't see it from my shop. Perfect. We'll jazz that up with a little name too. Looks awesome. Stupid shit I gotta do.